again, hola, and thank you for choosing to watch another instalment from here at my YouTube channel, Benidorm and Beyond. I produce positive, fun and informative vlogs about this resort where I've lived for well over 20 years. So please come along and join me on my daily adventures and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on any of my brand new content. Today's vlog shows you Benidorm's famous strip, or Calle Gerona as it's otherwise known, after the extremely well-attended Cheltenham Festival had finished. Filmed late morning, I started and ended at the Hotel Flash, with many now just sitting back and enjoying the sunshine, whilst others have their cases packed for home. I'll see you out and about next time, maybe even along the seafront enjoying a drink in the sunshine. Who knows? Bye for now, adios and take care. Cheers!
All I need.